What is happening is that President Mnangagwa launched what he called Presidential Youth Empowerment Scheme. And this scheme was the ZANU-PF project, a ZANU-PF event, but Vice President Chiwenga didn't attend. As you can see right there on the screen, Vice President Chiwenga is not there. He does not appear anyway. Opa Mchinguri was in attendance. Remember, Opa Arikunzungu Arikunyimo, she was in attendance. Kembo Mohade is believed to be sick, which means he won't be seen in the picture for quite some days now. That man is the man probably who is safe or who is the safest so far. Then other issues are that the Youth League leader, deputy leader, and also deputy minister of youth vowed to defend Mnangagwa from the protests. He said, if you manage to give us security and keep us, we are going to defend you with anything.